MacBook Pro 17-inch camera board replacement, a concise step-by-step guide. Step 1. Power off, unplug, and run a quick camera test for comparison. Wear an anti-static wrist strap and gather precision Torx and Phillips drivers. Remove bottom case screws and lift the unibody cover carefully. Disconnect the battery connector as a safety priority before touching internal parts. Remove the optical drive bracket and expose the camera board near the hinge. Gently lift the camera ribbon connector and slide the cable free with a spudger. Unscrew the camera board mounting screws and carefully extract the old board. Place the new camera board into position, align the connector, and seat it fully. Secure the board with screws, reconnect the ribbon cable, and reconnect the battery. Replace the bottom cover, tighten screws evenly, then power on for testing. Compare before and after camera footage. Parts used: camera board. Tools: Torx, Phillips, spudger, tweezers, anti-static strap.